Well, hi there folks, it's Matt Hayson here with this week's Market Wrap. Now, have we detected a slight shift in market momentum and overall buyer sentiment? As we bring up the auction chart here, you can see over the last several weeks, the auction clearance rate's actually been steadily declining. Now, that's the first time that's occurred so far this year. Now, often when we have the holiday period such as Easter, when there's fewer new properties coming onto the market and less properties going under the hammer, it just gives the overall buyer pool a chance to catch their breath and reassess the market conditions. There's also been a little bit of talk about buyer fatigue creeping into the market given the frenzied conditions we'd experienced through the first quarter of 21. So in our view, the heat in the market that was very prevalent leading up to the Easter period has somewhat cooled a degree or two, not dissimilar to the weather that we're currently experiencing. That said, the overall market fundamentals remain exactly the same. If anything, the Australian economy seems to be going from strength to strength. We also learnt during the week that the big four banks have rapidly reduced the time taken to approve a home loan. We know that investors are starting to flood back into the market, and also the nation's biggest lender, CBA, their intent to purchase a home hit a record level at the end of March. So that opens up the question, was this a holiday hiccup or a more sustained change to the overall market conditions? Well, we've got some big auction weekends coming up on May 8th and May 15th. Now, that'll determine whether or not that frenzy is returning into the market or whether or not we'll just start to see a more gradual upward trend. So that leads us into this weekend, folks, where we've got some of the best properties listed so far this year, all open for inspection, and our entire team looks forward to seeing you out and about. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all next week.